had graduated law school, took the bar 2023, got my bar card December 2023, and the next day on a shingle, basically, started a website, formed the LLC, and then a month later I was sitting in my office wondering how to make the phone ring. And I remember seeing your ads on Facebook all the previous summer while I was studying for the bar. Like, what was that? New law something or other? What was that? So I looked it up and I got on the phone with one of your reps, and I didn't know what I didn't know. You know, it wasn't just about making the phone ring. It's one of the first things your rep said to me was, all right, let's say we do your phone ringing tomorrow. Somebody asks you how much a will costs. What are you going to do? I have no idea. She's like, you need us. So, and that kind of started our journey. I really love estate planning because you can help me a lot like you can with the pattern owner. I got a chance to work with a bunch of adventurers who really cared about what they were doing and was important to them. And when I discovered this kind of law in law school, I had a really great professor who took me under his wing, and I'm like, this is what I want my practice to be. So it really made sense to go at law. We're doing very well. Last year, was kind of that startup year, and we were having maybe 3 or 4 clients a month for most of it, and it started to pick up into the year. I think next month we have already 12 planning sessions booked for May. We're actually kind of closed. We're starting to book out June. We already have out of June booked. We're bringing people on, so by the end of the summer, I'd like to have the capacity 15 appointments a month. And it's just been we kind of ball them. I mean, our only slowdowns have been really not listening to the coaches, where I've been too scared. The coaches have been very like, you should do this, you should call this marketing group, or you should take this step, you should hire a BA, you should hire somebody. Like, oh, we're not ready. And looking back, it's like, yeah, I really should listen to you months ago. We'll do a few wheel pants once in a while for $3,000. But yeah, we do the add-on stuff. You kind of really, if you sell the questions better. Like, yeah, typically we're right around 6,000. So hunters up to about now. Most of our clients are in that, $1 to $5 million range. We do have clients above that. I do have clients where they, they've worked their whole life for their home. And that's really what they want to protect. And I love that you taught us too, that, estate planning isn't just about wealth. There's so much more to it. We do have a lot of clients like that where they want to pass on their legacy. Their children, they want to pass on what they built. So we get that range. But yeah, typically we're in that, we like to say the sandwich generation. Those folks that are, the young adult or teenage kids, they got aging parents. They forget to take care of themselves. They feel that's a really underserved area. And that's our focus. So it's special us. Now we plan to do $500,000 this year. I think we're crush right.